Hello, I am Mr. Eze. Now I have this question for you. Are you still in doubt if WAEC is going CBT this year or not? If you are that one who is still in doubt whether WAEC will go centrally based test this way, now take a look at this video and you will be convinced.
WAEC and NECO by November of this year to also start their objective exam on CBT by their 2026 exams, which will come up in May, June. Both the objectives and the essay will be full on CBT. That is how we can eliminate exam malpractices.
Secondly, do you know why some students score 300 and above in JAMB? Why the same exam, some manage to score 150, some below 150? The reason is just simple. It depends on preparation. Both the one that score 300 and above and those ones that score 150 and below, they are prepared, but the difference is how and the method of preparation. Some prepare with high quality materials, while some prepare with anything they see. Now that is why I am bringing to you this 3-in-1 app software, which is Exam Scholar. Exam Scholars is a high quality material, study material. Of course, these are past questions. Now these materials are CBT, centrally based. Of course, it will also give you idea of how these computer-based exam work. Now, the answers are high quality because they are produced by seasoned examiners. All the subjects you are offering, whether you are art inclined or science inclined, do not be afraid. What we have is covered for both art and science inclined. All you need to do is visit our website www.examscholar.com. Once you get there, now it will give you 3 options there depending on the device you are using. If you are using a Windows device, of course there is an option for you. If you are using a MacBook, if you are using an Apple device, you have the option is there for you. Now, for those who are using Windows, if you want to install it in your laptop, if your laptop is Windows 7, we can still, it is accommodative. It can accommodate you. If your own is from Windows 10 and above, it will still accommodate you. All we need to do is, if you're not sure of your window, you can click the universal, which is the second option. The moment you hit Windows, take the second option. The second option is universal. But if you are sure of your window, pick the first option, which is Windows 10 and above. Once you click it, get the material downloaded. The moment you download it, install it. It's a virus-free software. Install it in your system. Once you get it installed, now you can now navigate. For you to navigate, depending on the one that is showing up there, if it is JAMB, you can navigate from JAMB to WAEC, from WAEC to NECO, even BASE. BASE is also there. All you need to do is, once you are done with the installation process, click the 3 dash button on the top left. Once you click there, the first option says other packages. Now, once you click other packages, you will see all the packages we have: JAMB, NECO, WAEC, and Junior BASE. You will see them there. Anyone you want to activate, click on that, hit the activate button. Once you hit the activate button, you enter the activation code that will be sent to you. Now, for the price, it is 3,000 naira per software or per package. But then, if you want to install maybe WAEC and NECO, I can now subsidize it from 3,000 to 2,500, so that if you are going for the two packages, WAEC and NECO or WAEC and JAMB, those two we go for 5,000 naira if you are going for the two. But if it's for just one, it is 3,000 naira. All you need to do is there is a number on the screen. Please hit that number on the screen and then come to my WhatsApp, and then I'll guide you all through the installation process. If you are finding it difficult to install this software, I'll guide you through until you get it done. Our interest is to help you score 300 and above in the 2026 JAMB and as well WAEC this year.